The Indian Army is quietly strengthening one of the most trusted weapons in the infantryman's arsenal. A weapon that has seen action from icy heights of Kargil to counter insurgency operations in Kashmir is now set for a biggest technological leap in decades. The Army has initiated the procurement of 450 Carl-Gustaf M4 multi-role rocket launchers, and this time they won't be imported from Europe. They'll be manufactured in India's Saab's production facility in Haryana under the Make in India initiative. So why is Carl-Gustaf one of the world's most battle-proven shoulder-fired weapon and is still relevant? And how does this procurement fit into India's larger push for defense self-reliance?
Modern battlefields demand speed, mobility, and versatility. Whether soldiers are fighting in dense urban terrain, mountainous borders, or fortified enemy positions, infantry units require a weapon that can neutralize wide range of threats without relying heavily on artillery fire. The answer has long been the Carl-Gustaf recoilless weapon system. Originally developed in Sweden more than 7 decades ago, the Carl-Gustaf has evolved continuously into one of the world's most successful infantry support weapons. Today, it serves with the armed forces of over 40 countries, including India. Now, the Indian Army is preparing to induct the latest generation of the Carl-Gustaf, the Mark IV, also known as the M4. The Indian Army has issued a request for proposal for procurement of 450 launchers along with advanced fire control sights, accessories, spare parts, and comprehensive life cycle support. Unlike previous acquisitions, these launchers are expected to roll out from Saab's manufacturing facility in Haryana, marking another significant milestone for defense manufacturing in India. The move supports the government's Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat initiatives while reducing dependence on overseas production. The M4 is not merely an upgrade, it represents an entirely new generation of the Carl-Gustaf family. Weighing less than 7 kilograms, it is nearly 3 kilograms lighter than the older variant, making it significantly easier for the infantry soldiers operating in high altitude and extended combat missions. Its carbon fiber construction improves portability without compromising on durability, while modern digital interface allows the integration of advanced optical sights and future smart ammunition.
But what truly makes the Carl-Gustaf indispensable is not its weight, it is its versatility. Unlike single-purpose anti-tank weapons, the M4 can fire a wide variety of ammunitions, allowing one launcher to perform multiple battlefield roles.
The Carl-Gustaf M4 is often described as a complete infantry support system rather than simply a rocket launcher. Its family of ammunition includes anti-armor rounds capable of defeating tanks and armored vehicles, high explosive ammunition for bunkers and fortified positions, anti-structure rounds for urban warfare, smoke rounds for concealment, illumination rounds for night operations, and programmable air burst ammunition capable of engaging enemy troops behind cover and in open. This flexibility allows infantry commanders to adapt instantly to changing battlefield conditions without changing weapon system. The launcher can engage targets beyond 1 kilometer, while its latest fire control systems significantly improve first round hit probability. For India, these capabilities are specially relevant across the diverse operational environment of the Western Front, line of control, and the Himalayan border with China. The procurement also reflects a broader trend within the Indian Army. Rather than relying solely on expensive long-range missile systems, the Army is investing in lightweight, highly mobile weapons that empower frontline soldiers with precision firepower. Combined with indigenous drones, advanced surveillance systems, night fighting equipment, and modern communication networks, weapons like the Carl-Gustaf M4 are becoming integral to India's vision of a digitally connected, highly mobile infantry force. As global conflicts continue to demonstrate the decisive role of infantry in the modern warfare, India is ensuring that its soldiers are equipped with one of the world's most versatile shoulder-fired weapon systems, and that too built increasingly on Indian soil.
Modern infantry needs a weapon that is light, reliable and effective across different combat situations. The new Carl-Gustaf M4 delivers exactly that. Compared to its older models, it is significantly lighter and easier to carry, making it well suited for high altitude operations and extended missions. It also supports a wide range of ammunition, enabling soldiers to engage bunkers, armored targets, and even illuminate the battlefield at night. Now, being manufactured in India, the Carl-Gustaf M4 is set to enhance Indian Army's firepower and operational flexibility in some of the toughest terrains.
From indigenous rifles and next-generation body armor to locally manufactured rocket launchers, India's infantry modernization is gathering pace, and if the battlefield of the future belongs to the soldier who can move faster, see farther and strike harder, then Carl-Gustaf M4 is set to become one of the Indian Army's most important force multiplier at platoon and section level.